Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the A-Zone wireless IP camera. This features HD two-way audio, cloud storage, encryption, day-night, motion detection, and waterproof. Here we are. Alright, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? So you can pick this up off of Amazon for about $60. And I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Alright, so far on the top we have, looks like the installation, 3 screws. It also comes with an antenna and a screwdriver. It's kind of nice to have the tools that come with it. It's a nice little bonus. Alright, here we have another screw, another tool actually. So it looks like some Allen wrench keys, and that's pretty cool too that it came with that. A lot of people don't have a lot of tools, so when you got, when it comes with the tools that you need, it's a nice little bonus there. Okay, here's the camera. Before we get to that, we have this. Okay, that's it for the box. And it looks like that this is plugged in. Alright, so this plugs into your camera. I'm just wondering how long this cord is, so I'm going to check it out here real quick. I like to see how long the cords are. So, that's kind of nice. I was hoping that this cord would be pretty long here. Alright, so I have a 6-foot wingspan, so there's 6 feet, and then almost another 6 feet. So I'd say it's probably 10 or 11 foot long cord here. So that's a nice distance. I have a plug-in under the eaves. It would be perfect for this to set up a security camera there on the side of the house. Oops. Okay, I thought I was like drop something. I was like, what is that? Okay, it's just that. Nothing important. So it comes with a nice little airbag around the security camera to keep it safe. Oh my goodness, that is like sturdy metal there. Okay, please kindly read our user guide before installing. Max Wi-Fi distance 15 meters. Okay. Only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, no 5G. Okay, that's cool. So this can be rotated all the way around. So this has a 180 degrees, so I can rotate. You can mount it up underneath the eaves or something like that, and then rotate it around. So appears to be weatherproof. It has the speaker down here for sound. Looks like we got some night vision going on here in the front. Appears to be well constructed, and nice little padding there. So this should be a fun install. That's about it for the unboxing, my friends. The antenna has a little spot here for the antenna to go, and that should help with the range. So 15 meters from the Wi-Fi, yeah, you're looking at 45 feet away, so that's not bad actually. So I will be doing an install video on this as well as a demonstration, so you gotta stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you soon. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.